Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be my first time trying YKS rates. I found these rates on a simulator, the Uncrashed simulator, and I like flying Farouk's rates and some racing rates and Mr. Steele's rates. One of the things that I like to do is try all sorts of different rates. And in an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your radio to have a few different rates on it so you can switch between them, which is something that I just learned to do recently. So I'll be showing you that soon. So make sure that you're subscribed and that you smash the like button, because I'm giving you good stuff here. And this is also going to be my first time trying to do like tree dives, so that's super exciting as well. Anyways, I hope you're all having a great time, and I hope you're all having fun. You know, there's a lot of bickering in the FPV community all the time over, oh, mine's bigger than yours, mine's faster than yours. You know, it doesn't matter how big your drone is. It doesn't matter if you fly DJI or analog or shark bite. We're all just here to have fun and have a whoop-de-doo-dah of a time. So I hope that you're doing that, and yes, enjoy this little video. See you soon.